Let me ask you something real quick. Have you ever bought an online course or software that promised easy money, but once you got inside, it was confusing, time-consuming, or just didn't work? If you're tired of wasting money and want to know whether AI Cash Clone is actually worth it, or just another overhyped AI product, then watch this till the end. Because in this video, I'm giving you a brutally honest, no-hype breakdown so you can decide for yourself. Here's exactly what I'll show you. What AI Cash Clone actually does, in simple terms, who it's perfect for, and who should skip it. How beginners are realistically using it step by step, the real pros, limitations, and common doubts, and whether it's better than other online money methods. No fluff, no fake promises, just facts. Here's the real struggle most people have with making money online. You want income online, but you don't know coding. You don't want to create products, you don't want a 6-month learning curve, and you don't want risky ads, crypto, or complex funnels. Most AI tools are powerful, but too technical for beginners. That's exactly where AI Cash Clone positions itself differently. AI Cash Clone is a done-for-you AI income system. Instead of building everything from scratch, it uses AI to automate content, pages, and monetization, gives you a ready-made system you activate, focuses on simplicity, not tech skills. Think of it like plug-and-play online income infrastructure powered by AI. Not magic, not push-button money, but efficient leverage. This is how most beginners actually use it. Access the system, activate the AI setup, add minimal customization, let AI handle content plus flow, focus on traffic or promotion. That's it. No 47-step funnels, no tool overload, no tech headaches. This simplicity is the biggest strength. This is very important. AI Cash Clone is ideal for beginners with no tech skills, busy professionals wanting side income, business owners who want AI automation, people tired of trial and error systems. Let me be honest. This is not for people expecting overnight or guaranteed money, people who won't take action, advanced developers wanting full customization, anyone believing in zero-effort income. AI helps, but you still need to use the system. Instead of boring features, let's talk results, content creation system, setup, monetization flow. This removes the biggest blocker, confusion, done-for-you structure. No domains, no coding, no complex integrations. Perfect for beginners. Built-in monetization. Unlike most tools that say build traffic first, this focuses on earning logic from day one. Let's set expectations correctly. Will this make you rich overnight? No. Can it help you build an automated income stream faster than traditional methods? Yes. People see results when they follow the setup properly. Stay consistent for 30 to 60 days. Treat it like a system, not a lottery ticket. You might be thinking, is this just another AI scam? No. It provides an actual working system, not just theory. Do I need experience? No. That's literally the point. Will this work in 2025 and beyond? AI-driven systems are growing, not shrinking. Comparison with other methods. Let's be real. Other methods. Drop shipping to ads, plus high-risk freelancing to time for money. YouTube automation to long learning curve. Crypto to high volatility. AI Cash Clone. Lower learning curve. AI automation. Beginner-friendly, faster setup. That's the difference. Urgency and scarcity. One important thing to know. Tools like this usually increase in price, remove bonuses, or get restricted once saturated. So if you're even slightly interested, it makes sense to check it now. This is not a miracle system. It's a tool plus framework. If you are serious about online income, tired of complicated systems, interested in AI leverage, then AI Cash Clone is worth checking out. If you want to see exactly how AI Cash Clone works and decide for yourself, click the affiliate link in the description below. You'll get full access to the system, any available bonuses, and possibly a limited time discount. Don't guess. Don't assume. Just review it. The link is in the description.